So, yeah, Bullhead's down here. He's in trouble. He can't leave his frisbee alone. He can't keep up with me and Yuki Dookie. Yeah, shell hunting. Lots of shells around at the moment. On the Gold Coast, yeah, lots of shells. Sun's just coming up. Give you a quick look there. Where is she? Where are you, sun? Right about. Oh, there. That's about it. It's going to be a nice day. It's great. And the Yuka's up here. It's about time she got in front of me. Come on, silly. So, last 2 days, no surf. We've had a great run. Coronavirus time, you know. And we've had a great run. We had 2 weeks of beautiful straight swell, ground swell, just nice lines. Got lots of photos. Oh. My favourite shells, these flat ones. I like to stick them on the fence. There's so many shells here. How did she make it that far? Hey, Yuka! They're fucking all here. What are you doing, girl? I mean, have a look at the shells here, people. All my flat ones. Oh man. Yuka's what? 21 weeks pregnant now, and I tell you what, it's her first baby. Haven't I got my hands full of mood? I'm just better off staying away. And if I stay away, I'm a bad person, because I'm trying not to fucking... I'm just trying to give her some space. Oh, women are fucking crazy. Especially when they're pregnant, eh? Oh, this is Yuka's first baby. My third. My first boy, I'm pretty excited about it. Oh, Gesundheit. Sorry about that. Another flat one. We've got 3 flat ones Yuki missed. What are we on? Okay. Oh, is that another one? Oh. Get back here with that bag, Yuka. Come on, Bundy. Let's go surprise one of the local boys here. Let's throw him on camera. Come on. Come on, we'll go get him. Come on, Bundy. So you're going to be in my YouTube video?
What am I in? Your YouTube video?
Yeah.
Yeah?
But we're making one about the shells on the beach.
Are they awesome today?
Yeah.
All the pippies, they're all open up.
Yeah, she's collecting pippy shells. I want to put them on the fence around the house.
Oh yeah?
It makes the backyard feel real beachy.
Yeah, no, along the actual waterline they've all opened up last night. They've all just washed up. It's awesome.
Maybe the Chinese came out of the bushes last night. Yeah.
Wow.
Hello, puppy dog. Say hello. Hey.
Come on, start.
Oh, yeah.
We're doing this next week.
Yeah, we went up here yesterday to Seaworld, and there's a lot of shells up there, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's amazing what you find when there's no surf.
Yeah.
There's a whole other beach here.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Any idea what that?
Oh, they've been saying we're good. They're trying to, what do you call it? They're trying to just keep us happy and tell us, oh, we've been doing a good job, but this and that, they're giving us all the bullshit.
Yeah, that's
But,
all right.
yeah.
When are they opening it? That's all I want to know.
Oh, maybe this weekend. Yesterday, another no cases in Queensland again yesterday.
Yeah, I heard that.
So they should be opening today.
I mean, I don't know, can't they just open it and not tell anyone?
I
And
know.
then, you know what I mean? Just go and move the barriers and then don't put it on the Brisbane news, we'll be fine.
We went up there yesterday and all the guys had walked up to Spit and over to Stratty, up the beach.
Yeah.
It's not stopping them.
Have you seen what they're doing each morning? They're parking their cars just south of Phillip Park, getting their push bikes out.
Yeah, that's where I went. Yeah.
Riding their push.
Oh, they're riding their pushies up
They're
the
riding
beach,
their pushies, the extra couple of Ks.
up the road.
That's right. 4:30 in the morning, get out your push bike and your surfboard, ride the extra couple of Ks, tie up your bike, paddle across the Stratty.
There's not really going to be anyone up there to nick your bike, is there?
Man, that's key.
Look at that sunrise belting through. It's like a big donut. And where's my other half? Your dog's pissed off and collecting shells. You collecting shells. Yeah, I got some flat ones. Yeah. Put that in there too, because he's not getting that. If I give him the frisbee, he won't keep up with us. Do you want some coral? No coral? We get a bit of coral here. Come on, Buffhead. There's a big smile. Oh God, I was just telling everyone how terrible it is having a pregnant wife, eh? Oh my God. I try to do the right thing, I'm doing the wrong thing. I try to give you space, I'm doing the wrong thing. What's this thing? That's a big shell, you missed that one. Look at that big baby. Hey, look at that. She's not on the ball, is she? Come on, there you go. Look at that big baby. Now that's a pippy shell worth keeping. A big one. I'm great on the camera here, I know it. Get the camera rocking and rolling. Just aiming a bit lower, make things a bit easier for me. Sorry. I haven't used this before on the selfie stick. The iPhone 7. That's what I'm using. I've got one of those whatchamacallit mics at home for it. Condenser mic. But well, you bought it from your gimbal, but you can't use it in the gimbal because the gimbal locks the phone in where the speaker connects. So don't get a TGAI gimbal or whatever they are expecting to be able to hook a condenser microphone up to it, because the arse end of the iPhone 7 goes up against the bottom of the gimbal and you can't connect your microphone. You could do it with this. This is one of those iPhone selfie sticks with the Bluetooth. It's pretty good. A bit tricky to use, but no big dramas. Hey babe, if I could use it, any idiot could use it, eh? Don't you reckon? Yeah? Hello. Hello. Doing a bit of modelling out there in the water on a surfboard. Super surfer. Super surfer. What do you reckon? She in training?
Hey?
She in training?
He's just getting some awesome photos. He's just on the wrong side of her.
Oh, look at a bum. That's not a bad bum.
No, he was there getting some mad photos before she went in. Like seriously, I'd be putting her there and getting a photo with the silhouette of her.
Yeah, it's better here, isn't it?
Bloody oath. You get an awesome shot.
Yeah. in front of the sun.
Yep.
Yeah, they're in the middle of the bank there, eh?
So you just go over up the other morning. Sunrise has been mad, eh? Sunrise, silhouette.
Hey, look at how Staffies get on. Staffies out there. Roo, yeah. Yeah. Two old boys, they couldn't be fucked, eh?
Yeah.
I'll have to make this one over 18. All the swearing, eh?
Can you believe this is Main Beach? And our dogs are off the lead.
Yeah, hey, yeah, Sheridan. We walked up the but I wanted to do some exercise. I better catch up with the missus. Oh, she's fucking moody. She's fucking 5 months pregnant. She's off there.
Oh, you're kidding.
Come on. What's going on there, sugar? Guess what? We've done our first 11.5-minute video. What do you reckon about that? You know what that means? That means they can put some ads and bullshit on our video. Didn't get the sunrise that I wanted. Hey. There goes old matey. I can't walk any farther, honey. My ankle's just a bit, you know. What's that, big flat one? Oh, that's a good one. Show the people that one. Show the colours. Look at the colours. It's a nice one. He went that way and the dog's come this way. Hey, boy. You're going a bit blind there, old boy. This way. Oi, come on. Come on. We can hear you. There he goes, trotting back to his owner. He's going a little blind, the old boy. I don't think you'll be far behind him, will ya? Yeah. Oh yeah. Backdoor pipe. Backdoor pipe. Oh, this is girl. Yeah, guys, you're gonna get to another look at her. If you're very lucky, she might be out of the water when we get back there. What do you reckon, sugar? You advertising for a certain supermarket there? Why did we have to take that bag? Forget it. I'll have to blur that one out maybe. I don't know. Bag's a bag. This dirty old guy up here. He's sitting, get his big fucking 300mm zoom lens out. Looking 10 metres in front of him with this girl on the surfboard. That was a bit of overkill, I think, eh? Don't you reckon, sugar? Sugar? Hey? You gonna give a big wave for everyone? Come on, give him a wave. Oh God, it's hard. See, you wait till you have a bloody baby. Especially with a woman that hasn't had one before, in her mid-30s. Here we go, peeps. There she blows. Paddling out on the surfboard again. That's a big boy here. He's having a perv. Give us a fist pump. Fist pump. Oh, here comes the sun. Here comes the sun, and I said, it's alright. Sugar, sugar, hey, what are you doing over there? No more shells? The bag's getting a bit heavy. Is it a bit heavy, is it? Hey? I want to carry it? You're getting a bit of exercise too this morning, are you? Hey? Sugar, sugar. Oh, I haven't seen any of the boys except matey Ben here. Yeah. I think it's Ben or something like that. Come on, Bundy boy. Nearly there. Sugar, sugar. I scored myself a new t-shirt on the beach this morning, eh? I always love finding free clothes on the beach, eh? It's a little bit of a joke, me and the missus had going. Board shorts, towels. Hey, you find some quality stuff, eh? Come on, you do. Don't you, honey? You find some quality stuff. Look at this scumbag living up here in the bushes, wrapped in a tarp with his bag of fucking blankets. It's fucking disgraceful. Everyone gets money. There's no reason for it. The Australian government pays everyone. Maybe it's the mental health system, but if they don't want to be helped, you can't help them. And a lot of them have been walking around here for years, and I just continue to do it because that's what they know. It's what they want to do. Oh, look at that one. There's a peeler. Oh, check that out. Rock and roll, baby. Hour 42. Geez, we've got a bit to go yet. Bugger. It was a good walk this morning. It was a good walk this morning, wasn't it? Hey? Good walk this morning. Hey? Come on, Bundy. Tick, tick, up. Put your collar on. Let's put his collar on. Oh, boy, he doesn't like to walk when he gets a bit. Tuck it out. Come on, up here. Collar time. Hey. You walk a bit better with your collar on, don't you? Come on, let's go. I think it makes him feel more important. It's a funny thing. Well, we've got dogs coming, Bundy. Hey, more doggies. 1, 2, 3. Oh, no, they'll attack him for sure. They're Maltese Terrier crosses. They'll attack him for sure. Hey, look, there's almost a wave out there. Almost. It's just nice to be down here. Probably go and sit up in the sand dunes. Warm up a little now. Go home for some bacon and eggs. Yuki's still looking for good quality shells, I guess. Right. Hey, Yuki Dookie. You find any good quality shells? Hey? Did you find any really good quality shells? Oh, this girl here's stealing all the good shells. Don't worry about it here, honey. After you get past this, there'll be nothing. You're an expert. Hey, you're an expert, aren't you? Told you, expert. She's getting the little ones to make bracelets and stuff out of. Hey? Hey, she's getting the little ones to make bracelets and necklaces and stuff out of, eh? Jewellery. You could do that at home. I'll get the drill up for you. You can drill the holes in your shells and make necklaces and stuff, eh? No? God, it's hard, mate. I'm trying. I'm trying my hardest to... Doesn't matter how many years experience you got dealing with pregnant women, everyone's different. They're all challenging. Oh, high tide's coming up. Look at that. That'd be about probably 8 o'clock, 8:30 this morning. About an hour and a half, an hour, probably an hour. Water's still warm. These are great. Look at the shells. Hey, look at the shells. I haven't seen this many shells on the beach around here for a long time. You got a flat one. A lot of broken flat ones, hey. And right. I'll pump it off here. We're just coming back down towards the Sheridan. I might film it for another 5 minutes till we get to the Sheridan. Everyone can have a bit of a sticky beak. Chinese bought it off some Aussie guy about a year ago, I think. And they've had nothing but trouble with it. The car park's about a foot deep in water downstairs because the pool constantly leaks. I did a lot of work on the pool years ago. I worked with a underwater repair company. And it always had holes all through the friggin' pool. It's a shithole. Beautiful location, right on the beach. Jeez. And look, the pool's fine if you want to swim in it. But as an owner, man, you wouldn't want to own the joint for quids. Especially now the coronavirus has gone through. Oh, mate. How you going there, big boy? You hanging in there? Hey? How you going there, girl? Hey, smile. Come on. Oh, I think her face will break. Getting back down towards the Sheridan now. It's pretty nice. There's not much wind around this morning. Nice little cool westerly. Beautiful autumn morning. Come on, Bunny, a bit further. Good boy. Bit wobbly on the camera there, but I don't think that'll turn anyone off. What are you on Wednesday? I think they're opening the beaches again this weekend. The people from out of town. We've been lucky. Oh, probably should go in for a swim while I'm at the beach. There you go, there's the Sheridan, just up there. Hiding over the hill. Some good waves usually out the front of the Sheridan. Even though there's nothing anywhere else, at least there's something there. Goes to show. It's a bit of a swell magnet up here. Hey honey. Hey, give everyone a wave goodbye. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye bye.